Kalea's kitchen. Wait, that was really loud. Let's freeze. Can we all
It's
be in
really close to you.
serious?
Yeah,
Wait,
like hold it.
Hold on. Let's.
Okay, you have to go through that first.
Oh my gosh, guys. Hey guys. Welcome back to Kalea's kitchen. Today, we're making baked rigatoni.
Woo!
Have to have sun-dried tomatoes.
Well, we have tomatoes.
Sun-dried tomatoes.
Okay. It's gonna be baked, so it's like the same thing.
Okay.
We need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees, which means we actually are gonna preheat it to 385.
Why is that?
Because our oven is special.
Should I just call the fire department now?
This is Katie. No.
So
Okay.
we have to add the tomatoes.
What's your favorite color, Katie? No.
My favorite color.
Oh.
He's not appealing to logos. My bad. I was gonna say he's not making a logos argument, but like Jackson would say.
Shut
Who
up.
wants to wash these? No.
I would like to wash them.
Oh yeah.
Shh.
Oh yeah. So instead of tomatoes and salad,
that sucks.
Golda eats bell peppers and salad.
Yeah. Dude, tomatoes are like, listen, like they're a fruit. So why are you putting fruit? Like I get fruit salad, but like you don't mix the fruit in the lettuce. Like you're not putting. Okay, I guess people put like apples in their salad, but like I think that's I don't like tomatoes with my savory food. Like I don't like mixing things. Sorry.
All right.
Do you get that off your chest?
Wait, would you pay me $50 to bite into the tomato?
No.
No, because we're gonna use those. Also, that's not a crazy dare, so $50 is
For
way
me
too
it
much.
is.
Oh, true. Okay.
$5.
Anyway, we have to quarter our tomatoes. So,
I want to do it. I want to
Okay.
do it. I want to do it.
so do you know what a quarter is?
So I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'm gonna cut it in half again.
Yes.
Ready? Close up
Me-
shot. You see. Look at the slice. Look at that cross section. Ow.
It's a
I
little
just cut my
uneven there. There's no way we have to quarter these.
These are
That
too.
seems
Maybe
really
you got
big.
It's huge.
Well, maybe
let's
because you
cut
got like jumbo tomatoes.
can we
Let's
Can
cut
we
up
put
a
it to
little.
eighths?
Yeah, let's do a little bit more.
Maybe 16ths
Well-
if you will.
Get it
Well,
right
this is getting a little dangerous.
No, now the ad is in front of my
I
instructions.
might cut my finger.
Wait, do we really need 5 tomatoes?
We need 3 pints
Do we
of
really
cherry
need this
tomatoes.
many tomatoes?
This is crazy.
That's a lot of tomatoes.
Do we really
These
need
ones.
this many?
I feel like we only need one.
Can we
Yeah,
just
let's
mash
just
them?
let's just do like
Wait, is this like wait? Ugh. Is this just like for the sauce?
yeah.
Oh, thank
Oh,
God.
so then-
I will
Yeah,
get
yeah.
blended tomato sauce.
Okay, well this is on top, is it not?
No, the cherry tomatoes are also in it.
Wait,
in
what?
the sauce.
Not you one. It's in the sauce.
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Sauce.
So then it doesn't matter how
Yeah,
much.
so everything is gonna be blended up. So I think that we
Oh,
don't need
so it doesn't
this-
matter.
So why does it matter?
How
Yeah,
many-
just cut
So we just need to keep
my
fourths
hair.
is fine then.
Yeah.
You don't need to cut that one, Golda. Fourths
Yeah,
is
dude.
fine.
I
Because it's
feel
getting
like this
blended.
is a lot though.
This is a lot.
I mean,
Seems
we're
like
tripling
two,
we're
yeah.
tripling the recipe though. So that's probably why.
Is this
Don't know.
It doesn't look big enough, I think, to be quite honest.
You're on the hunt for cloves of garlic right now.
Can you find
I see
cloves of
garlic.
garlic?
I see mashed garlic.
Down
Someone
there.
find them for
Mid
us.
section.
Comment down below where the cloves of garlic are.
There's the one with cloves.
That looks like cloves. Nice.
Garlic girl. I think we probably got this from H Mart.
Yeah. You can tell.
Let's smell it.
Guys, is
So
it mold?
That's mold, that's death.
Where?
Dad,
why
do
is
we
it
have
green?
do we have more garlic than just besides this? Like cloves?
I doubt it. I mean, that's a lot of garlic. You need more than that?
No, it's moldy.
Oh.
Shoot.
That's
Just
disgusting.
cut the mold off. I don't know.
Oh, that's gross.
Or
Let's
just
go on
use
hunt
garlic
some more.
powder.
No, we're supposed to use cloves. So
Okay,
we're
change
supposed to
the
do
plans.
So our garlic cloves are moldy. So we're gonna use granulated garlic. I don't know how much to use because I think I want to use like 3 cloves of garlic.
So just Google like cloves of garlic to granulated. Yeah. Sugar? You make me wanna go dancing. You make me wanna. So there's the disgusting tomatoes over there.
So
Absolute.
a quarter teaspoon. Look for a quarter teaspoon.
Can you find the quarter teaspoon? Found it.
Let's check those out.
It's right here. All me. Sorry.
Yeah, that's a better one. She doesn't have.
Yeah, same. Trios never work. Oh, that's a lot.
Oh.
Do you do this for English?
That was wow.
Yeah.
Really?
Oh my gosh.
Guys, it's fine.
She can't do anything.
That was like a quarter.
Oh. Please put some on this end. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess we're mixing
It's
all
gonna
together.
blend
Yeah, it's fine. It's
anyway.
fine.
Let's try to.
Ew. I had to look away.
Thank you for telling us.
Yeah. Well, they can't see that.
Oh gosh. Okay. This is gross. To olive oil. Half a cup of olive oil.
This looks like olive oil.
Alright, guys, I think we need a little bit more.
Oh, wow.
Based on the other.
Okay, tell me when to stop.
Comment down when to stop. Stop!
That's probably
Okay.
it.
Let me pour it. It smells really good, even though I hate tomatoes.
So now we're gonna sprinkle with salt.
I kind of spilled it.
Yeah.
Apologies.
It's okay. We'll get our cleanup crew, which is Jonah, over here. Cause he
Yeah,
likes
no,
to-
it's spilled on the dish.
Oh, it's fine.
Let's get a
the
paper
salt and the
towel.
pepper from over there. Can we film this and not you? Hello. I'm gonna fire you from the Kalea's Kitchen channel.
This is why I film usually.
Yeah. Hello, Dad. Good.
You guys like Anagram?
Sure.
You know, Katy Perry's my aunt.
The resemblance is striking. Did you grow up in Santa Barbara?
Yeah. Texas,
I
California.
watched
Got it. Thank you.
Thanks, Dad. Awesome.
it. Hey, what else do you need?
We're good.
Sun-dried tomatoes?
No, we're making our own. Okay.
Alright, well, that works.
I need oregano and thyme.
I already
It's like
told you.
this. Oh.
She doesn't know I know this hack.
Yeah.
So this is butter and tomatoes and garlic.
And olive oil and oregano and
salt.
thyme.
This is like
Yeah.
It's fine. It'll just be extra buttery.
good. It will take away from the freaking tomatoes.
All right. I think that means it's time to go in the oven for an hour and 15 minutes.
Are you kidding me?
Nope. But then after that, it won't take as long. Because after that, once we'll cook the pasta like while this is baking, and then the pasta only has to bake for like 8 minutes.
Yeah.
So this is the longest part.
Yeah.
Let's see. Is it? It should be fully.
What shall we do while we wait? Oh, look, there's pasta. There's extra pasta.
Tomatoes. Ready?
How do you zoom in? Like, just like that. Oh, I zoomed in.
Nice.
I'll zoom in on Golden. Please keep that in.
It's time to cook our pasta. We got some rigatoni here.
Yay!
Oh, actually, I need some oil first.
I just ran a 10K chasing down. No, I walked in and I thought this was my phone right there. But like, no. I was thinking they go the wrong way.
There's all this outside of it.
Are they scared of
I have no idea.
They're scared of my aura.
What? You just hit it?
Yes.
I don't think
You
it's
would have gotten extra credit if you win Hawks.
If you kill a fly.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yes, ask him.
I'm really bad at killing flies because I react too slow.
No, you just did.
Yeah.
Hold it over here. Wait.
Well, I need to swallow it, but
Yeah.
can I light it on fire? That'd be
There.
Oh my god, it's there.
Whoa. This is good. Do I have to zoom in from a different angle?
Wait. Can you move this pot for me? Like over, yeah. And then can I have the thing back? The pot's not actually, or the pan's not actually hot.
Oh.
I just, yeah.
Very good. Let's do a little 360.
Can we get an ASMR on that? I can hear bubbling.
Let me do a professional shot. There's Chef Kalea cooking it up in Kalea's kitchen.
I'm looking at the recipe.
You
so
don't
pasta
need the
should
recipe.
So my water's not boiling, but it's fine. So remove the tomatoes from the oven and discard the herbs, but it's fine because the herbs are granulated, so whatever, we'll just taste them too. Transfer the entire mixture into a blender and blend until smooth. So we're gonna wait for this to cool. I'm not trying to pour that into a blender, that's crazy.
Wait, now stand over there. Let me check the angle. It's good.
We're blending sauce.
Is all of this up for grabs?
Yes.
Hey,
But a lot of it is stale.
You probably twist it, right?
not bad.
Nope, it's hot.
It's not like you can taste it anyway.
So true. Korean barbecue, whatever this is.
Can you even taste it, Kai?
Doesn't matter, this is protein, bro.
Can you imagine like the best Korean snack you ever had in your life?
Okay, I can't
What
open
is
it.
That's
that?
what it tastes like.
Clay, we're not open. Bring it home.
10 grams of protein, that's what this is.
Can we get a boy to do that? That's what they're here for. Is it
Sexism. Do what? Oh.
open the hot thing?
Lefty Lucy.
Good job, son.
I listened it. I hate to.
So unbelievably sad I can't taste this.
I'm sorry for you.
Oh, more. 20 grams. I need 20 grams.
30 grams, 40 grams.
Wow, those are really far.
I don't like these things. Come on, full pack.
Ah, stop doing all this. She said it was all up for grabs.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Taste test?
Please. Really nothing.
It's stale.
Does it taste stale? I can't tell.
You still sound sick, so that's probably why.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's a good point. So
Where did this go?
Oh, high key. That's a great point. Wait, what's this? Wait, eat
That's
it.
a
Eat it.
cookie
Eat it.
board.
What's this? You little.
Say it, you won't.
I.
You said it earlier. Say it, you won't. Put it back.
I don't know.
It's like bright
Is
orange.
it
Oh
good?
my gosh, it looks so good.
That looks like vodka sauce. Yes.
It looks like my tears.
So why does it look good?
What? Oh. Yay. 8 grams of protein. 8 grams of protein. 8 grams of protein.
No, it's not.
This is.
Really?
Yeah.
Fruit doesn't have protein.
That's like 4 now.
Okay, well he's souped up.
Seriously, sir. There's something there.
Does it taste good?
Are you serious right now? I can't taste.
Yeah, it is really good.
That's
Let me
really
try.
good,
I
right,
think that's the
Jonah?
best thing I've ever had.
Kyle, let me try.
It's not good.
Can you give me
No,
one?
it's
Can you give
protein.
me one?
Can you give me one, Sophie?
Like, be honest, is it good?
Can you give me and Katie some?
Right back in there.
Yeah, but we want to try one.
Wow.
Wait. No, I
So we're gonna have to split it now.
I would be
Sorry.
devouring this right now if I could taste.
Did you?
Absolutely devouring it.
You're already around here. What do you mean? Yes.
Don't eat it.
Yes,
It's
King.
good.
Yes,
Actually, it's really good.
King. Yes, Queen.
I hate you guys.
Yes, Queen. Okay.
Okay, wait, guys. We'll see.
Transition.
We'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. We're back.
Okay. We're gonna put our pasta into the skillet so we can bake it. Oh, this is bad.
Whoa. I thought
Someone help. There's more pasta. I'm being threatened. This is scary.
Dude, relax. Whoa, yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna wait for the rest of the pasta so we can pour the rest of the sauce. And then put some cheese on it.
Put a K on it.
Put a K on it. This is what a typical woman does.
So why are all the women in the kitchen?
Colonial woman does.
Is this what Puritan women did?
Women belong in the kitchen.
Listen to me. After the infant mortality rate dropped, women were able to do more domestic chores and have more time for childcare. Is this how a Puritan woman feel? Okay, please stop doing that. Okay, now we're pouring it in the pan and we're gonna bake.
Oh.
Second layer.
Yummy! Time for the cheese. Here is our baked rigatoni before the oven. All the cheese.
Here's the hungry child.
We have some
before.
Parmesan, some shredded mozzarella, and some fresh mozzarella. And here's the hungry child before.
Me before my phone, caffeine, and pasta.
Can we get a before?
I'm mad.
Oh, okay.
This is harassment. This
This is your before food.
They're eating the cat.
Okay.
They're eating the dog. They're eating the cat.
Eat the cat.
Eat the cat. They're eating the dog.
Oh, what are you doing? Okay, this is their before food.
What about a handstand, Clay? You want a handstand?
Do you want to broil it? Let's broil it. The cheese is a little bit too melted right now to be proper. It's done. Okay, well, that's nice. It's done broiling. Now.
Are you okay?
I just burn myself. So now we're gonna let that cool until it's safe enough for us. It's delish. Alright, here's the first serving.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy, 9 out of 10.
I give the pasta a big boom, a big 10 out of 10. The cheese on top was absolutely delectable. 100% would make and eat again. Peace out.
I rate the baked rigatoni a 10 out of 10.
I couldn't really taste it because I was sick, but it was fire. Yeah.
The baked rigatoni was very yummy. 9.2 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
My mom is making me make it for her again because she didn't get to try any because they ate it all. 10 out of 10.